Hey, ladies and gentlemen, now the wait is finally over. Samsung has officially dropped the Galaxy S25, and this beast is rewriting the rules of what a flagship smartphone can be. With insane performance, stunning display quality, next-level eye features and a killer camera system, this is not just an upgrade, a broken bar, this is a statement. So today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the brand new Galaxy S25, full specifications, real-world performance, camera breakdown, battery life and official USA pricing. If you're thinking about buying a new phone in 2025, watch this video till the end, because this might be the one you've been waiting for. Design build. Host. Starting with the design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 features a premium aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back. The phone is slim, lightweight, and comes with IP68 dust and water resistance. It feels solid and classy in the hand, available in multiple colors depending on market region. Display. Host. On the front, the S25 offers a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It supports Full HD Plus resolution at 2348-1080 and an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, giving you incredible smoothness for gaming and scrolling. The display brightness goes up to around 2600 nits with Vision Booster technology, making it easy to view outdoors. Performance. Host. Powering the Galaxy S25 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy A, one of the fastest processors available right now. It's paired with 12 GB RAM, delivering top-class performance for gaming, multitasking and heavy apps without lag. Storage options. Host. For storage, the phone comes in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB variants, depending on the region. Please note, there is no microSD card slot, so choose your storage wisely. Camera system. Host. The S25 features a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3A optical zoom. For selfies, you get a 12-megapixel front camera. Samsung has also improved night photography with better image processing. Battery charging. Host. Inside, you get a 4,000 mAh battery with fast wired charging and wireless charging support. With the new chipset efficiency, it easily lasts a full day on normal usage. Connectivity software. Host. The phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and SIM. It runs Android 15 with One UI 7 and includes Galaxy Eye features for smart tools and enhanced productivity. USA price. Now let's talk about pricing. In the United States, the Samsung Galaxy S25 starts at $799.99 for the 128 GB unlocked model. The 256 GB version costs around $859.99. Prices may vary depending on carrier deals and promotions.